Have you ever tried talking to someone who doesn't understand your language? You speak, they stare. Nothing happens until a translator steps in and bridges the gap. That's exactly what programming languages do between humans and computers. Hi, I am Satish Choudhary and welcome back to In Simple Terms, where we take complicated tech ideas and make them easy to understand. In the last episode, we saw how software gives purpose to hardware, how it turns a lifeless machine into something useful. But before software exists, someone has to write it. And since the computers only understand 0 and 1, we need a way to talk to them in a language that makes sense to us. And that's where programming language comes in. So let's understand why programming language exists. If we had to write everything directly in binary, even a simple instruction would fill pages of zeros and ones. Programming language makes it possible and simple. They let us use ordinary words and logics like add, print, or if this then that, and then translate them into binary automatically. It's like having a translator repeat your sentence instantly in another language so the other person can hear you without any confusion or waiting. So let's understand how it works. When we write code, it starts in a form that humans can read easily, but computers can't run it as is. So a special program called a compiler or interpreter converts our words into machine language, long strings of zeros and ones that the CPU can follow step by step. Each instruction tells the computer exactly what to do, whether it's showing text, adding numbers, or playing sound. Here's the bigger idea. There are many programming languages, each with its own style, but all share one goal: to help humans turn ideas into precise, step-by-step instructions that machines can understand. They are the bridge between imagination and execution, between human thoughts and the digital action. So in simple terms, programming language made technology human. They allow us to express ideas in plain logic, and computers bring those ideas to life in binary. So the next time you use an app or send a message, remember, behind it all is code quietly translating your thoughts into machine understanding. In the next episode, we'll explore software, the soul of the machine, and see how it tells the hardware what to do. Thanks for listening to In Simple Terms with Satish. Subscribe, share this with a friend, and join me again as we continue to make the complicated simple. Thank you.